Hey everyone, welcome back to Smarthome. Today, we've got a fantastic guide for you on a topic that many of you have asked about, GE Universal Remote Codes. We'll show you how to program this versatile remote to control virtually any device in your home. So, if you're tired of juggling multiple remotes, stick around because we've got you covered. Now, let's get started. Programming the GE Universal Remote. Alright, let's jump into the fun part, programming the remote. I'll guide you through the general steps, but keep in mind that the specific process may vary slightly depending on the model of your remote. Refer to your manual for detailed instructions. Most common GE Universal Remote Code. The most common code for a GE TV is: to program your GE TV with this code, press and hold the setup button on your remote until the red light blinks twice. Enter the code 10,047 into your remote. Step 1. Power on your device. Start by turning on the device you want to program, whether it's your TV, soundbar, or Blu-ray player. Step 2. Press and hold the setup button. Next, press and hold the setup button on the remote until the LED light blinks. This means the remote is ready to be programmed. Step 3. Enter the device code. Now, enter the code for your specific device. You can find this code in the manual or on the GE website. As you enter the code, the LED light on the remote should blink to confirm each digit. Step 4. Test the remote. Once you've entered the code, press the power button on the remote to test if it turns off your device. If it does, congratulations. You've successfully programmed your GE Universal Remote. If not, don't worry. Try entering a different code and repeat the process until you find the right one. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. Programming your GE Universal Remote is a simple and effective way to streamline your entertainment setup. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you have any questions, or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.